Now, tell your attorney, since he's on the phone, are you going to do field sobriety test or no?
No.
Okay.
No.
Are you being arrested? You say no. I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that.
Wait, whoa.
Why do you have to arrest her?
Because she just refused. I asked her to do field sobriety test and she refused.
What started as a quiet night in Chicago ended in flashing sirens, crumpled metal, and an arrest that raised more questions than answers. On the 11th of November 2024 at 4:15, an accident occurred, but the woman refused to cooperate with police, appearing as though she was not in her senses.
Why don't you have a seat in your car?
Okay.
The suspect in this footage is Samantha Steele, the woman accused of driving drunk and causing the crash.
Let's start off with your driver's license and your proof of insurance, okay?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, he wants a driver's license and a proof
Who's
She called her friend for help.
this?
of my attorney.
Your who? Your attorney? All right, you can call him in a little bit, because right now everything's recording audio and video, okay? But you're involved in a traffic accident. I'd like to see your driver's license and your proof of insurance.
Ask him.
Okay, he's not driving, dear.
Just hang up, Samantha, and I'll be there. Tell him I'm on my way.
Yes.
He's on his way.
Yes. He said you'll be on your way. Okay.
Yeah, I'll
Let's
be
start
there.
off with your driver's license and your
I'll wait for
insurance.
him.
I know, ma'am, but I need to see your driver's license to verify you're okay to be driving. And number two, your insurance, so we can start the paperwork. There's some damage done to your car.
I'll wait for him.
May I tell you that everything's being audio and
I know.
videotaped, okay?
I'm just saying I'll wait for
I'm
my friend.
requesting your driver's license and your proof of insurance. I'm sure you can provide me with those two things while we're waiting for your attorney to show
I'll
up.
wait for him.
Okay, but we don't have to wait for him. I need
I
to see
need to wait for him.
Okay, ma'am. You don't need to make this any more complicated than it already is. It's just an accident. I just need to see your driver's
Fine.
license.
I'll wait for him.
Okay, ma'am. Do you want me to handcuff you and arrest you?
No.
Because right now, at this point, you're refusing to provide me any.
I am.
You are. You realize that, right?
Yes. I'm an elected official.
You what?
I don't want any of this.
She told police that she had crashed into two cars with significant impact.
Well, ma'am,
I'll
you're
wait
involved
for
in an
him.
accident. You've hit several cars.
Two.
So, yeah, I need to see your driver's
Because
license so I can
someone
start the paperwork.
pulled out in front of me and I...
So, okay, great. I'll ask you that in a second. But I really need to verify this is your car?
No, it's my friend's car.
It's your friend's.
When her friend arrived, the officer asked him to persuade her to step out of the car. At that moment, the situation grew more tense.
Texted me.
Okay. Oh, let's walk over
Is she
here
okay?
for a second.
Is she okay?
Well, we're in the middle of an investigation.
Police explained the entire incident to her friend.
Is she okay?
Well, we're in the middle of an investigation, DUI investigation right now. She appears that she may have been drinking, involved in a 3-car accident. Yeah, that's what we're relating at this point now. So we're trying to ask her to step out so we can do a field sobriety test, which we're supposed to do to determine if she is or not.
Yeah.
And she doesn't want to get out. So advising her nicely to get out, or we're going to have to get physical and bring her out of the car, which is not going to be end up good for her. I don't know if you can talk to her and tell her that, just have to step out and listen to our orders. We've been talking to some kind of attorney or friend of hers on the phone, and he's been cooperating. He said, yeah, just give him your officer's driver's license and proof of insurance, which we have now, but she doesn't seem to want to exit the vehicle.
Okay.
Even when both the officer and her friend urged her to get out of the car, she flat out refused.
You want me to talk to her?
Hey, Sarge, is it okay if her friend tells her to walk out, to step out?
Oh, she's saying she's an elected official
I
of
don't
Cook
want-
County.
I don't want
Okay.
to be on the video.
Oh.
You are on video.
You are on video.
You're on
It has
video,
to be
ma'am.
on video. Yes, ma'am.
So you need
I'll
to...
wait for my attorney.
Okay.
No, I'm waiting for my attorney.
So you're not exiting.
I'm not.
You're gonna
I'm
have to make
waiting
her
for
exit,
my
and
attorney.
she is not compliant right now.
Does she?
She says she's an elected official of something. We don't know.
Does she need to be compliant at this moment?
Of course she does.
Yeah.
She was
Well, I
involved in
mean,
an
can she
accident.
wait? Can she wait for her attorney?
No.
Yes.
Well, regardless of the
She was
attorney being here
involved
or
in an
not,
accident.
you still have to conduct a field
Even
sobriety.
if the attorney is here, there's nothing he's gonna tell her. She was involved in an accident and we're doing our investigation. and obviously she doesn't want to. Ma'am. Okay, here's the thing. You were involved in an accident, correct? So you're gonna have to exit. If you don't exit, then we're gonna make you exit.
Can you give her a
Trying not to, but you know what?
second?
That's all you gotta do, and then wait for me. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
I'm waiting for him.
Yeah, you gotta come out.
Get out of the car.
I've exited the car.
Okay, be careful with traffic, man. Stay right here. So right here. We don't want you to go out, get involved in an accident.
Okay.
Fine. No.
Police urged her to speak with her attorney about taking an alcohol test, but she flat out refused. That's when officers decided it was time to place her under arrest.
No. It's my attorney.
Okay. Now, tell your attorney, since he's on the phone, are you going to do field sobriety test or no?
No.
Okay.
No.
Are you being arrested? You say no. I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that.
Wait, whoa.
Why do you have to arrest her?
Because she just refused. I asked her to do field sobriety test and she refused. And she smelled like alcohol. She's been drinking. Oh, so you've been recorded all this time. You've been recorded.
For my car, sir.
Okay.
No, I need
You
my
want to do
attorney.
field? You want to do
I need
field?
my attorney.
She quickly called her attorney, trying to explain the unfolding situation.
You want to do
I need
field?
my attorney.
He's on the
Man,
phone.
you want to do? He can hear you.
They're arresting me.
I'll be there.
Been transported.
No,
She's not doing the
I'm
field
not
sobriety
going.
test.
I'm not
She's a fake.
going.
She's under arrest right
Give her
now.
my purse. Take the purse.
Thank you.
I'm not going.
Okay,
Let's go.
let's hold on.
As the situation escalated, police attempted to arrest her, but she resisted.
That's on his way. Can he go? Can you give him 5 minutes?
I'm not that
5 minutes to
You're
get
not,
here.
man. I'm just escorting you to the
Can
car.
you give her 5 minutes?
She's not doing the field, so we're not gonna be
20
Have a
seconds.
seat.
struck bunch of cars.
Have a seat in the car.
No,
Struck
I'm
bunch of
not
cars.
doing. I have to pee.
Come on, man. Let's go. Let's have a seat in the car.
Can we just like?
No, we're not. We're gonna sit in the car.
That's why you got Uber, you got taxi. You could have done all of that.
Okay, have a seat in the car. Let's go have a seat in the car.
Have a seat.
Have a seat in the car. Let me get on your side if I can.
No, we got to. You want to do the field? You want to do the field?
Sam.
We ask you to do it, and you say no.
Okay, let's have a seat in the car.
Oh my God. You guys are
We're gonna have to make this is tight.
Oh, I don't feel sobriety.
Okay, now that's what we're gonna do.
All right, come on. Give me a chance. Yeah, you're not me. Imagine somebody crash. Somebody.
As they waited for her attorney to arrive, an officer stepped in to take over the investigation.
Ma'am, can you just stand over here? You can watch the whole thing. Just everything's being audio videotaped.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, listen.
Sam?
So you wearing
The officer began questioning him about his head injury.
lenses. You wear glasses. You have them on right now. Can you see me with that? Can you see me with them? Okay, you good? Okay, all right. So now, how's your head? You have any injuries? Your head
I
is
hit my
good.
head.
You hit your head when?
When I hit the car.
When you hit the car, did you?
At 20:45, Steele refused to take the field sobriety tests and was visibly swaying during the interview. She complained of head pain, and even after a senior officer arrived on scene, her continued refusal to cooperate only placed her in greater danger.
He's a 5'1" guy, kind of, I guess.
Okay.
I'm Sam.
Sam? Okay.
16,
Update this on the ticket. Update this on the ticket.
1622.
Just update
I'm
it.
sorry.
I need a timestamp.
5022 North Action.
Yeah, we use 5028 for that.
Oh,
Right there. What happened to that? What happened? Just what happened?
I don't know. That's you. I was driving.
Okay. Where were you coming from? Where were you coming from?
My friends. Are you?
5020 North on Aspen.
No, I'm just, yeah.
It's fine.
When questioned about alcohol consumption, she repeatedly denied it.
Were you drinking?
No.
No?
No.
Are
Sam,
you,
don't answer any questions according to
man, if you're going to be
attorney.
interrupted, then probably have a sit
Well,
over here.
I'm talking
Because you're
to her
interfering
attorney.
right
She's
now
fine.
in the
It's
investigation.
fine.
So,
Oh.
you just have
the
to
advice
stand.
of her attorney.
So
When the officer checked the car, an alcohol bottle was found inside. This evidence further complicated the case for Samantha Steele.
Yeah, we use 1528 for that.
I'm gonna turn off the car.
North on Axon.
See me what?
That's a friend's car. Comes back to somebody else.
Yeah.
Got that on video.
That's good stuff too. Coming in, something else, no? Oh, no. Yeah. Good stuff. Man, all that Altoids didn't help.
Steele's reckless decision to drive under the influence led to her arrest. She was taken to the hospital for head pain, then handed a court date. But the crash didn't just end with her arrest. 2 other vehicles were left badly damaged by the impact.
Partner, she refused, so
I got enough.
yeah, once we go to the
Station?
station, no, she's gonna go to, she said she wanna go to the
You
hospital.
wanna go to the hospital?
Once, what do you mean no? We call an ambulance, we just wasted
He
their
said, do you
time.
want medical attention?
We just wasted their time.
I want my attorney.
Alright, just take it in, we should go into the
Stand
station.
up, stand up.
It's not, it's not heavy your weight, man.
No,
You asked for an ambulance,
2
you
minutes.
wasted these fine people,
No,
you just refused them.
I want to see the EMT.
You gotta let her see the EMT.
No, but, hold on.
You under arrest.
You're under arrest.
She got a very small
One
wrist, so make sure you cuff her. Make sure you cuff, she has very small wrist. Careful.
I'm making loose.
That alcohol smells strong.
Well, there was a bottle of wine.
You put, why would you,
And it was a bottle.
it's a half empty.
Oh my god. Okay.
It's half empty. The bottle of wine is half empty, Samantha.
What? So,
Oh my god, you guys are
You drink it. I mean, it's illegal to drink and drive.
so we're gonna have open alcohol in the car.
You know?
Can I go with you?
Oh, there comes the attorney, saving the day.
She's gonna have
Oh,
to
he
go.
coming right now.
Because she hasn't had.
Alright, you're gonna go ahead.
No,
You're
I
gonna
need to see my attorney.
That he's right
I'm not
there.
moving.
He's right there.
Yeah, no, my
When her attorney finally arrived, officers laid out the whole incident and then moved in to place Steele under arrest.
attorney.
Sir, she's been placed in custody for driving under the influence of alcohol. She struck a bunch of vehicles right there. And that's her open bottle of wine in the car. So,
I didn't drink it.
Don't say anything.
yeah, listen to him.
Has she been Mirandized? Is she
No,
under arrest?
no, you're not Mirandizing her or nothing.
I get
She
it.
refused the field, so now we're gonna
I know how
take
it
her.
works.
She's gonna go to an ambulance, and then they're gonna go with her. And we still gotta do. How many cars did she crash into? A partner? 2 cars. Her car is undrivable, so we have to tow it from the scene.
You want to talk to the EMTs?
All right,
Yes.
I got my stuff
over there, please. Thank you, Sam.
Right. Don't hit that one you were saying, dude. No, this one. Okay. Who's doing this one? We are. Okay. Regular traffic crash.
That's right.
And this, then I'll do the 501.
The field, she